ପିଲାମାନେ ସତରେ କ'ଣ ଆମ ଭାରତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ନୁହେଁ? ସତରେ କ'ଣ ଏହା ସାପ ଆଉ ବାଘମାନଙ୍କର ଦେଶ? ଆମ ଦେଶର ଲୋକେ ପରୋପକାରୀ ନା ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥପର? ବିଦେଶରେ ଭାରତର ଛବି ପ୍ରକୃତରେ କ'ଣ? ମିସେସ୍ ବେଥିଙ୍କର ଏ ବିଷୟରେ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଧାରଣା ରହିଛି? ଭାରତୀୟମାନେ କ'ଣ ସତରେ ମିଛ କୁହନ୍ତି ନା କାହାକୁ ବଞ୍ଚାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଏପରି କରନ୍ତି? ବିଦେଶୀମାନଙ୍କର ଭାରତ ବିଷୟରେ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଧାରଣା ରହିଛି? ପୂର୍ବ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିଥିଲୁ ଯେ ଲେଖକ ମ୍ୟାଗିଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି। ଏ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆସ ଆଗକୁ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଘଟୁଛି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିବା। ଦ ପ୍ରାଇସଲେସ୍ ଗିଫ୍ଟ ଚେପ୍ଟରର ପାର୍ଟ 2 ଏବଂ ପାର୍ଟ 3ର ଲାଉଡ୍ ରିଡ଼ିଂ କରିବା। ତୁମେମାନେ ପୃଷ୍ଠା 3କୁ ଦେଖ। What kind of a country is India, sir? asked Mrs. Bethy as she resumed her cooking. A beautiful country, safe to live in. Aren't there too many snakes and tigers? Don't they kill people? This type of question has often been asked. Don't believe that snakes and tigers are killed by the people if they come too close. My son is in the Punjab. He is a soldier. What kind of place is the Punjab? The Punjab is a fine place. It is a very healthy place to live in. I am glad to hear it, Mrs. Bethy said. Her baking was finished. Maggie, she said, take Mr. Gupta upstairs. I'll wash my hands and bring tea. As we drank tea, I talked about India. Mrs. Bethy showed me a photograph of her son. It had been kept very neatly in an envelope by the mother. His name was Frankie. Maggie, said Mrs. Bethy, show Mr. Gupta the ring which your brother sent you. She brought it and asked, can you see the past and future in it? I took it and examined it. When Frankie sent this ring, Mrs. Bethy said, he wrote that if you concentrate on a distant person as you gaze into it, you will be able to see him and what he is doing. We have not had any news from Frankie for a long time, but we have not been able to see anything. Why don't you try? You are an Indian. You may be able to do it. I did not have the heart to tell the mother and daughter that the ring was nothing much, not a miraculous thing from a distant land. How could I shatter their dream? Part 3. Several months passed. I visited Maggie and Mrs. Bethy, but no news had come from Frankie. Mrs. Bethy was sick, in a serious condition, aggravated by her anxiety for Frankie. I was in a fix. What could I say to console the mother? Only God knew whether Frankie was still alive or dead. Mr. Gupta, the girl said, my mother has not been ill like this before. I have read in books that Indians love the truth. If you could bring yourself to tell mother only once, after looking into the crystal, that Frankie is all right, that he is alive, will it be too much of a lie? Will it be very wrong? I thought it over. I am not a very virtuous man, so I decided to do this, the least of my offenses. Maggie brought me the ring I took it and approached her mother's bedside. Wishing her a good morning, I said, Mrs. Bethy, your son is alive. He is well. The old man raised her head a little off the pillow. Tears of happiness welled up in her eyes. Mrs. Bethy soon recovered. कष्ट शब्द आलोचना कंट्री देश रिज्यूम चालू रखिबा ब्यूटीफुल सुंदर सेफ निरापद बिलीव विश्वास करिबा द पंजाब भारतर गोटिए राज्य ग्लैड खुशी बेकिंग सेकिबा शो देखेइबा रिंग मुदी एग्जामाइन निरीक्षण करिबा कॉन्सेंट्रेट एकाग्र हेबा डिस्टेंट पर्सन दूर थिबा व्यक्ति गेज निरीखेई देखिबा ट्राई चेष्टा करिबा मिराकुलस आश्चर्यजनक शैटर चूरमार करिबा खंड खंड करिबा एग्रावेटेड गुरुतर हेले सिचुएशन परिस्थिति एंजाइटी उद्वेग क्रिस्टल स्फटिक बा स्वच्छ पदार्थ कंसोल सांत्वना देबा। एबे आमे द प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट चैप्टर रो पार्ट 2 एवं पार्ट 3 रो समरी बा सार कथा संक्षिप्त रे आलोचना करिबा। मिसेस बेथी wanted to know what kind of country India was. She used to think that it was not safe. There were snakes and tigers. They would kill people if they come closer to them. But the author said India was a beautiful country. Whatever she thought about India was not true. मिसेस बेथी भारत विषय जानिबाकु चाहुथिले। से भाबुथिले भारत रे साप एवं बाघ माने अछंती, तांको पाखु गले से माने मारी पकेबे। किंतु लेखक कहले भारत गोटे सुंदर देश, सेमिति सबु से देश रे हुएनी। वर्तमान बेथी तांको पुओ पंजाब रे सैनिक चाकरी करुछंती बोली कहले। मिसेस बेथी said that her son is a soldier in the Punjab. She wanted to know about Punjab. एवं बेथी पंजाब विषय रे पचारिबारु लेखक कहले एहा रहिबा पई गोटिए हेल्दी प्लेस बा स्वास्थ्यकर जगह। यह शुणी बेथी खुशी हेले एवं पुअर गोटिए फोटोग्राफ लेखकों को देखाइले। The writer said that Punjab is a healthy place to live in. When Mrs. Bethy heard this, she was very happy. She showed her son's photograph to the writer. It had been kept neatly in an envelope. Mrs. Bethy told her daughter to show the ring to the writer. It was sent by her son Frankie. Her son had told a family member that when any of our family member would concentrate on the distant person while looking at the ring, they will be able to see the same person and know what he is doing. तांकर पुओ मिसेस बेथी को कही जे एही रिंग को चाही जेकोसी व्यक्ति विषय रे एकाग्र चित्तरे भाविले से लोकटी को देखि हेबो एवं से कौन करुची जानी हेबो. The mother said that she tried it, but they did not see anything of such. She requested the author to see it. Since he was an Indian, he could see some miracle. माटी कहिला सेमाने ए सबु चेष्टा करिथिले किंतु सेमिति किछि अनुभूति हेला नाही. जेहेतु लेखक जणे भारतीय से चेष्टा कले से रिंग को चाही तांको पुओ विषय रे किछि कहि परिबे बोली सेमानकर धारणा थिला. The writer observed the ring. He knew it was an ordinary ring, but could not tell the mother that thing. He did not want to shake their faith. लेखक एही स्वच्छ मुदीटी को निरीक्षण कले. से जानिथिले यह गोटिए साधारण मुदी किंतु से सेमानंकु ए सब विषय रे किछि कहिले नाही कारण सेमाने से मुदीटी को खूब विश्वास करुथिले. After some months, the writer visited again to them. Till then, there was no news from Frankie. The mother was sick. She was bedridden. The writer was in problem. What could he do to console the sick mother and revive her health? किछि मास परे लेखक पुणी थरे से माँ झीओं घर को जाइथिले. से पर्यंत फ्रेंकी विषय रे कौनसी समाचार आसी नथिला. मिसेस बेथिंकर देह बहुत खराब थिला. लेखक वर्तमान चिंतारे पड़ी गले. द गर्ल रिक्वेस्टेड द ऑथर टू लुक इनटू द क्रिस्टल एंड से हर मदर दैट फ्रेंकी इज ऑल राइट एंड ही इज अलाइव. द राइटर थॉट दैट he was not a virtuous man. He should do that and help the old mother recover from illness. He did that. Now the old man raised her head. Tears of happiness came in her eyes. She recovered quickly. एतिकी बेले मैगी लेखकों को अनुरोध कला मुदी को चाही फ्रेंकी भल अच्छी बोली कहिबा पाई. लेखक सेमिति कले. तार माँ काले भल होई जिवो. लेखक भाबिले जदि सेमिति कले जनकर जीवन बंची जिवो तेबे से निश्चित करिवे एवं से सेमिति ही कले. पुअर देह भल अच्छी सुनी मिसेस बेथी सुस्थ हेबार अनुभव कले. तांको आखिरु लुह जकेई आसिला. माने ए चैप्टर रो पार्ट 2 एवं पार्ट 3 रो पिक्चर समरी आमे माने एबे देखिलु एवं बुझिलु. एबे तुम मानक पई किछि एक्टिविटीज दिया जाइछि सेगुडी को तुमे माने चेष्टा करो. परवर्ती पर्याय रे सेगुडी करो उत्तर तुम मानक दिया जिवो. धन्यवाद.